Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make a biscuit milkshake at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 12 biscuits, 1 cup of chilled milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a few ice cubes. Having a good quality blender is key for a smooth texture. Make sure your milk is cold for a refreshing drink. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick treat. Now let's get blending. Start by breaking your chosen biscuits into smaller pieces. This helps them blend more easily. Add these biscuit pieces to your blender, followed by 1 cup of chilled milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and about 4 to 5 ice cubes. Secure the lid and blend on high speed for about 1 to 2 minutes, or until the mixture is perfectly smooth and creamy. No lumps for that ideal consistency. Once blended, it's time to customize and serve your delicious creation. Taste your milkshake and adjust the sweetness by adding more sugar, or thin it out with a splash more milk. For an extra special touch, consider adding toppings like a dollop of whipped cream, a drizzle of chocolate syrup, or even some crushed biscuit pieces. Pour your freshly made milkshake into a tall glass and enjoy it right away for the best experience. There you have it, a perfectly delicious homemade biscuit milkshake, ready to enjoy. This simple recipe is fantastic for a quick dessert or a refreshing snack. It's so easy to make, you'll wonder why you haven't tried it sooner. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy blending.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.